Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls. Welcome to Crazy Quilt Friday. It's going to be very brief, but it was oh so satisfying to me. You know, I'm doing this 100 Things Challenge, but I said that I could still buy Crazy Quilt fabric, because my intention is to cut it up and roll it up and use some of it, but to sell some of it too. So I gotta show you what I found at Goodwill. Oh my gosh, I couldn't believe it. I just couldn't believe it, okay? First, this was on the clearance rack. Look at okay, it is a dress barb, and it's a large, so I'm going to try it on. I may wear it if it fits me. I'll wear it a few times, but look at the cool buttons. But the beadwork and this fabric, hello, 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 hello. Okay, so then I thought, well, I'm gonna walk back and see, you know, where they have like the yarn and stuff, and I couldn't find anything. There was no yarn, no crochet thread, no nothing. I thought, well, there you have it. But I walked over to where the tablecloths are, because you just don't know. You know, sometimes there's fancy tablecloths or whatever. And what did I find? But this. Isn't it yummy? Okay, it is 43 inches across by about a yard and a half. It's gorgeous. It's just what I need. Ha. For the neutrals, creams, slash whatever. So yeah, that. There's that. Then there was also this. $1.99. Oh, by the way, that other one was 99 cents. Okay, so this is stretchy, but if you're real careful and you keep it to the center, it works really good. But look at the shine. Okay, so I'm going to figure out how much there is of it. And I bet this is like 60. Yeah, this is 60 wide. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3 yards of this. Oh my gosh. Whoever, somebody, I don't know. I don't know if it was a crazy quilter or what that got rid of these fabrics. But, or like a prom dressmaker or formal wear. Okay, can you see the shine on that? This is 99 cents. It's the darkest of blue, Barb. Look. Okay, it is probably 60 inches wide, but it's only half a yard long. But it's still so very, very shiny. Very shiny. But wait, there's more. I couldn't even believe it. $1.99. I feel like I want to make a cape out of this or something. What is it with me and red and black and gold? I don't know. But look. Okay, let's find out how much there is. 2 yards of 60 inches wide. Yes. So I got some retail therapy. It's got paisleys. Can you see them? Some retail therapy and some beautiful fabrics. So some of this is going in my red and black quilt. Okay, on a totally unrelated maybe, this is a cross stitch with metallic thread. Oh my God. 2 strands of metallic thread. That's like a stem stitch with it. Well, I still couldn't get it to work. That was applied last. Maybe that's the deal. But isn't it beautiful? Now, remember my peacock journal I made for my friend? She's still struggling. I don't know if I'm going to keep this. Oops, let me turn you back like right there. If I'm going to keep this and give it to her, or if I'm going to take it out and use it in a quilt, because I don't have room. Somebody custom framed it at Hobby Lobby. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. But anyway, that's Crazy Quilt Friday. I'm rich. I am rich. Look at this. Yes, we're going to talk about this some more later. Love ya.